Hey there, I just made homemade yogurt for the first time using the Ultimate Yogurt Strainer and had a really good experience with the product. So the product comes in these three pieces. It's simply a hard plastic bowl area. We have the hard plastic lid. It does snap on nicely and I didn't have any problems with it coming off or feeling like it was going to. And then finally you have the strainer itself. It's this really fine strainer all the way around so it can drain from all angles. So I did use half a gallon of milk to make my yogurt, and this is what it starts with when the yogurt is fresh out of the Instant Pot that I use to make it in. And then I let it sit overnight, and the final result was this. I had all this whey down in the bottom of it, and then all the yogurt was up here on the top. And then I could just add a little bit of whey to it as I needed to thin it back out to where I wanted. This thing did a really good job of not only straining that yogurt, but it also was super easy to clean. Warm soapy water, and I felt that the screen, even though it was super fine, that it actually cleaned up really nicely. I think this is a great strainer. If you want some thicker yogurt, either store-bought or homemade, then click that link in the description below to find out more information.